There are so many creators on YouTube that has a lot of subscribers and do not have watch hour on their video or do not have any views on their long form contents. They grew their channel through using shorts and they got a lot of subscriber, and this is very good because that is the first step to getting subscriber. But you have done it the reverse way, you have done it the wrong way. So what you should have done is that you should have start uploading long form content before you start uploading shorts. Now, why many of you do not have watch hour on your videos even though you have a lot of subscribers is because your subscribers are divided into two categories: the ones that will just come and subscribe to your channel and even forget the fact that they have subscribed to your channel, and the ones that will subscribe to your channel with the intention of watching your videos. And the ones that subscribe to your channel with the intention of just subscribing and not watching your video, the percentage is higher than the ones that subscribe to your channel. That is the reason why you are having low views on your long form video. So what you are doing is that you have come to YouTube to not get watch hour. You came to YouTube to get your subscriber first before your watch hour, but you are trying because you are trying to get to monetization on time, which is not supposed to be so. What you need to do as a creator on YouTube is first of all give out value. When you give out value, you are going to get watch hour, and when you have watch hour, you are definitely going to get subscriber. Because let's do the math right here. To be able to get 4,000 watch hour on YouTube, you need to have over 280,000 views on maybe all of your long form video and your live streaming. So if you have 280,000 views and they watch at an average duration of 1 minute, why would those people that have watched your video not subscribe to your channel? At least 1,000 of them or 2,000 of them not subscribe to your channel. So your main issue should not be subscribers. Your main issue, your first point of issue, the main thing that should bring you to your channel is watch hour and not subscriber. Subscriber is going to come, because I got a lot of comments on my channel that I do not have subscriber yet. I'm teaching about how to get subscribers. See, I am focused more on watch hour, not subscriber. I am focused more on watch hour. If I have a lot of watch hour, I will definitely have subscriber, and the subscriber will keep coming little by little. There is a good thing about intentionality subscriber, that is subscribers that click on your subscribe button with the intention of coming back to your channel to watch your video. Because why not? Whenever you upload a new video, these people are going to always want to watch that video, and once they are watching that video, YouTube will keep recommending your video to other creators or to other people that want to watch your video. So it is best for you that you have intentionality watch hour, intentionality subscriber, those that intention, that has good intention for your channel, those that want to subscribe to your channel with the intention of coming back to watch your video, not the one that you do on the comment section where you say gather here, let us subscribe to each other and all that. Those people are not going to come back to your channel to watch your videos. You are just going to accumulate subscribers, and at the end of the day, you will start battling how to get watch hour. Now, there's a solution to this. What you need to do is, as a creator, first of all, you need to start uploading long form content, and let your long form content be very valuable. What YouTube wants what YouTube wants from creators is if you are able to keep people watching your video for a very long time. So create value. If you have something to teach it. If you have something to pass on. If you have a knowledge or something to give out, dish out that valuable knowledge and keep people watching your video on YouTube, and then you are going to get that subscriber. The watch hour is going to come, the subscriber is going to come. And now, if you are watching my video for the first time, don't make this your last. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing. I teach tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel. And if you are finding this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it to other creators just like you. And now, another thing you need to do on your channel which is very important, is always post on your community and then go live. Always engage with your community members, always listen to your community concerns. I got a email from a subscriber few days ago, and she was saying that she has over 10,000 subscribers and do not have watch hour, which she got a subscriber from shorts, which is not bad. But this video is dedicated to that subscriber. So what you need to do is start creating long form videos. Create your long form video and stop creating shorts. If you need to create shorts, create that short directly from your long form video using the remix. You can go to the video like this. On the three dot of the video, go to the video and click remix, or you click on the video like you want to watch your video, then you click remix. Then it's going to tell you to clip a part where you want to create your short form. So what you need to do is pick the interesting part, the most engaging part of your long form video, and then create it into short so that you can have audience from that short watch your long form video. That is the solution you need to do to be able to get more watch time, because many creators, I have noticed them, is that they have more subscribers than more of they have more of subscribers, and they have more of short videos than long form videos. So this is what you need to do to be able to get your 4,000 watch hour, and then you'll be able to monetize your channel in no time. So that is how you are going to be able to get that watch hour that you have always been dreaming of. You need to re-strategize and go back to your books and list out the videos that you want to publish to your subscriber. Write out videos that you know that is going to be valuable to your subscriber, and then give out that video. Just posting just short video is not going to grow your channel, and you are not going to make money on the long run. How? Is because when you have finally gotten your 4,000 watch hour, maybe through any means, these people that you have accumulated as your subscriber are not going to watch your long form video. You are just going to be having 50 views, 100 views, 10 views. You're not even having up to 1k views. And to be able to make money on YouTube, people need to keep watching your video. Your watch hour still need to be accumulating. Even though you have gotten your 4,000 watch hour, YouTube is still trying to tell you that as a creator that is monetized, your watch hour needs to still keep going up to be able to make more money on YouTube. That is why you see many creators, they do not even make up to $100 in 1 year of monetization. So now, if you have found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share and like, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any notification or any new video that I upload on this channel. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Make sure that you keep growing organically and you keep making content on YouTube.